Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zain Internet. First, identify your specific Zain device, whether it is a router or a mobile hotspot. Next, locate the network name, often called SSID, and the password, usually printed on a sticker on the device itself. Finally, open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, tablet, or computer to begin the connection process. Once you have your device information, ensure your Zain device is fully powered on and ready. Look for a strong signal indicator light, which usually means it is receiving a good network connection. If you are having trouble connecting, a simple restart of your Zain device can often resolve minor issues and refresh the network. If you are still facing issues, double-check that you are entering the password exactly as it appears, paying attention to capitalization and special characters. Sometimes, simply moving closer to your Zain device can improve signal strength and connection stability. Also, ensure your connecting device's software is up to date for optimal compatibility. To optimize your Zain internet experience, try limiting the number of devices connected simultaneously to improve overall speed. Always secure your network with a strong, unique password to protect your data and prevent unauthorized access. And speaking of great deals, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other fantastic offers. Enjoy a faster, more secure connection with these simple steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.